Alright guys, so the Ride Command rear camera, it's not in a great spot. It's not a bad spot for just hooking up trailers. This is the camera and the bracket itself. I already got it starting to loosen up. So what I'm going to do, this is the cable that I bought. What I'm going to do is put it up here so that I can see everything further back. This is basically the picture I get now. And I'll show you when I'm done where I'm going to go with it. But when it's up in here, I'll actually be able to see what's in the box, what's actually behind me. For pulling trailers and stuff, it'll be nice. It won't be as nice to back into the hitch, but with the bigger tires and the new bumper and stuff I have coming, I'm not going to be able to see it anyway. So I'm going to take her down. Like I said, it's just a couple of torques. It comes right down. And I got pictures and everything of where I got the harness from. Kind of a cheap, different mod. I've seen a couple people have attempted or have done it. So I thought I'd make a video on it and show everybody how it works, what it looks like. Alright, so here's the pigtail. It's normally tied up here and stuffed down in so it goes towards the rear end. But I'm gonna run it up the inside of the frame here, I think, probably on the other side. And then up along the bottom of the bed and up over to here. Okay, so I plugged the harness and just ran it along the frame. I'll get that all tied up and zip tied. And then ran right up through the hole here in the bodywork, along the cage, popped out of the cage. I'll go up along the seat belt, up on top of the speaker, and I'm gonna put a hole right in the back here, feed it all through. So it's open right above where them two bolts are at on the inside, but not open to outside elements or water or anything. So I'm just gonna pop a hole there and then mount the camera. Should be easy. Alright guys. Camera is mounted. I think it turned out pretty good. So that's where it used to be. That's where it is now. That's not what you can see now. So before it was good for backing up trailers or into a trailer, but you really couldn't see nothing behind you. Now you can see everything behind you. You can see what's in the box. If you got stuff that, like I do when you're riding on the trails, I throw stuff back there and then I'm like, oh, hopefully it's still back there. But you have to stop, which I guess that's just being lazy, but it's also nice when the kids are following. You know, you just peek back there. It's gonna work good for up north, pulling the lawnmower. We have a pull behind lawnmower for the cabin. You can see it right behind you, see everything that's there. I think next I'm gonna work on moving that front camera, figure out how I can do something different with that, because that thing's just really in a suck spot. It's pretty well useless. That's the view with the tailgate down. Like I said, this front camera's obnoxiously stupid. Might work alright, I guess, for maybe like in the rocks or something, but otherwise it's pretty much useless. I might even actually angle this a little bit so you can see just a little bit further out. but it's gonna be good. I like it.